Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are feeling well.
Fine, ma'am.
All right. Let's wait for 5 minutes. We'll let others join in and then we can begin the class. All right, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Anji, morning, a lot of messages. So thank you. I am also well. Thank you for asking. So Tamanna, no information about MST2 yet, right? So you'll get to know as soon as it is announced. Otherwise, I would say don't worry about it, right? You have been attending classes regularly and you are in touch with the syllabus. So even if it is at a short notice, you will manage to do well, right? So, okay, bache, so we had shared, Google link about slogan writing competition for anti-drugs day, right? It is tomorrow, right? So it is anti-drug usage and illicit trafficking. So illicit trafficking is illegal drug trade from one place to another. So as you are aware, this region of Iran, Afghanistan, this is known for, it is famous for, rather I should say infamous for growing opium and then transporting to other countries. So India में भी आपने सुना होगा कि most of the opium it comes from heroin or cocaine, it comes from Afghanistan region, right? It is called the Golden Crescent. So I just thought I should share this information, right? Then we also have a Golden Triangle region. I'll just find these two and I wanted you to know. Just one GK trivia for you today, right? All right, so I'll share the screen and show you. Hanji. So Golden Crescent is this region here, right? It is Central Asia, right? So which countries? It is mainly Afghanistan, Iran, and Pakistan, right? So इसको Golden Crescent कहते हैं because this is heroin production में काफी leading region है, ठीक है? And इधर से ही सारा illegally बाकी areas में transport होता है. Similarly, we have the Golden Triangle, which is Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar, right? So it is another large opium producing area. So this was term coined by the CIA, right? And all this region also again has a lot of heroin and cocaine production, right? Hanji Gurjot.
मैम ओपीएम क्या होता है?
बेटा ओपियम इज अ प्लांट, राइट? तो आपने पॉपी सीड सुना होगा, पॉपी हस्क सुना होगा, ठीक है? तो ओपियम इज अ ड्रग, right? Heroin is also a drug, cocaine is also a drug. These are all narcotics. जो opium होता है, it is naturally grown, ठीक है? However, जो heroin and cocaine है ना, they are made in the labs, right? So I am not too like familiar with this, right? So Amandeep has mentioned something. Maybe you would know the Punjabi name for opium. I don't, right? तो जैसे पंजाब में ना मोस्टली ओपियम की ज्यादा एडिक्शन है. नो डाउट आपने न्यूज पढ़ी होगी, इतनी हीरोइन पकड़ी गई, इतनी कोकेन पकड़ी गई. हीरोइन एंड कोकेन आर क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव, राइट? फ्यू ग्राम्स ही कितने थाउजेंड या इतने की होती है. अफीम, यस, अफीम इज ओपियम, राइट?
ये फेम होती है. हाँ.
So वही मतलब this is, I just wanted you to know क्योंकि this was something I felt you facts which are important, that golden triangle region, golden crescent region, right? So apart from the GK portion, what I wanted to talk about was that I want you all to take part in that slogan writing competition. So usually CSE is at the forefront in participating in all the various competitions. However, इस बार इतना अच्छा हमें response so far मिला नहीं है. So take your time, think of a slogan if you can, right? तो सिर्फ उसको हैंड रिटन आपने अपलोड करना है, नथिंग फैंसी, नथिंग लाइक दैट, ठीक है? हैंड रिटन आप चाहे उसको इमेज उसके क्लिक करके फॉर्म पे अपलोड कर देना. इफ यू वांट आई कैन सेंड द फॉर्म अगेन, right? I can send the Google link again, but I believe we shared it on Tuesday, right? So all the students who are always participating, this is for every one of you, right? So all the 48 students, 47 students in the class, right? I would say do think of a slogan. आपने कहीं पे सुना होगा मे बी, राइट? कहीं पे पढ़ा होगा, या आप अपना खुद का भी कॉइन कर सकते हो इन इंग्लिश, हिंदी और पंजाबी अबाउट अगेंस्ट ड्रग यूजेज, राइट? So कुछ भी सोच के do upload, right? I want to see a lot of participation from this class. We are always very proud that computer science and civil engineering students, they always contribute something or the other to all the competitions, right? So can I count on you to participate? हाँ जी बच्चे. So what do you say, Tamanna? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So wonderful. I look forward to that. Right? So before we begin the class, let me quickly take screenshots of all the present students. All right, Anu Gupta, very good. Okay. So now I want to try something new today, right? Hanji, Ajit, I will send the link again, right? So very good, Neha, Anu, I am counting on you guys. Okay. So बच्चे अभी आज हम I want to try something new, which is like recently I learned about this new tool which we can use on YouTube, right? सॉरी यूट्यूब पे आ रही हूँ, जूम पे, ठीक है? तो अभी मैं आपके साथ एक लिंक शेयर करूंगी. And I'm putting here in the chat. So I believe most of you are using your cell phones or laptops. ठीक है. So बच्चे, now what you have to do is go to this link and you will get an option to enter 3 words, right? There are 3 columns. So what I want you to do is enter any 3 adjectives which describe how you are feeling today. All right? So enter any 3 adjectives, like to give you a few examples, it could be excited, happy, sad, angry, कुछ भी, जो भी adjectives आपकी आज की feeling describe करेंगे, you are supposed to enter those here, right, on this link. So everyone take your time, take 5 minutes, visit this link, and you will get a page where you have to input 3 words. ठीक है? Try to keep it single words only because I'll tell you why, right? And फिर मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि what do I have in mind, right? So everyone get to work, visit this link. अगर किसी को नहीं कुछ समझ आया activity, feel free to ask me. If you want, just to make sure everybody gets my message, I'm typing it here as well. All right, I hope everyone got to work, right? And let me know once you are done, right? Just drop a message in the chat that done or I have done it. ठीक है जो भी. Yes, wonderful. You can be completely honest. Even if you're feeling bored, you can write that. I won't mind. All right, Amandeep, Adarsh, and Ajit have already done. Wonderful. So I have 49, right? 49th would be me. So I have 48 students here with me, right? So I'm really excited to see the results. All right, wonderful. Nakul, Tamanna, Gurjot, wonderful. So what about the rest of the students? Should we wait for 2 more minutes? All right, Bhupali, Vishal, Vishakha, that's good. So what about the rest of the students? You can also just respond, Hanji, Vandana, Tajinder, Surbhi, Yuvika, Simran, Simar, Shalini, Sarthak, Rushant, Rishabh. Hanji, bache, I need more responses. Yes, Manav, Mandeep, Manisha, Manjot. So take 2 more minutes and then I'll show you what I had in mind. वैसे you are computer science engineering students, you might have guessed it already and you might know about this better than me. So that's wonderful. Aryan, Shalini, Tajinder, Ishant. So Vishal also cracked how to find the results. All right. So let me share the screen with you. So this is what I had in mind, right? So this is what the students are feeling like today. So see, this is a word cloud, right? So I recently learned about it and I thought I should be using this more frequently in my classes, right? So you can notice that, some words are in a bigger font size compared to the others. So the size is directly proportional to the number of responses, right? So a lot of students responded with happy. This is why happy is, standing out and it is the biggest font size. However, I have had a considerable number of responses for sleepy, excited, awesome, joyful, right? So this keeps changing as per your responses. And this idea is good for, let's say if I have to ask you to vote or ask your opinion about anything, right? So I get to know in a single glance how many students support a particular idea or are feeling a particular way. So some are feeling bored, all right. Some are feeling confused, messy, awesome, good, calm, irritated, okay, irritating also, troubled, right, lethargic also, charged, pleased, cheerful, laziness, worried. So you see so many emotions all together, right? So this was basically my idea. This was just a trial run, a test run. However, in the future, we can use this word cloud for other activities as well, right? So I was for now thinking of some vocabulary building exercise which we could use, right? Hanji, so that was good. I like, and I really appreciate your participation in this. All right, so now we'll move on to our work for the day, right? So I was thinking we should practice a few punctuation exercises, right? If you remember on Monday, we had done the basics, right? We went through a few rules and also a few symbols. And now today we are going to apply the same, right? So everyone get ready. Either you can respond, verbally, or you can respond through chat, up to you. All right. Hanji bache. So let's try this out. So I see even the answers are visible anyway. Chalo sirf first ka visible hai. So tell me, Hurrah, we have won the match. We went to the beach. Okay, so पहले हम इसको करते हैं. हाँ जी. So if possible, you can type it again in the chat, right? Along with the correct, punctuation, or you can otherwise just mention. ठीक है जी. So Amandeep says after Hura, we'll put an exclamation mark. Very good. Hanji Vishakha, that is correct. Harkamal, that is also correct. And yes, at the end, we'll put a full stop. And also an alternative, we can also put another exclamation mark at the end. ठीक है, फुल स्टॉप भी हो सकता है, एक और एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क भी हो सकता है. उसमें सिर्फ ये होगा कि द होल सेंटेंस विल बी रेड इन दैट एक्साइटेड टोन, राइट? Yes, others, the way you have written, that can also be done. Or yes, we can put a full stop also. So we went to the beach yesterday. Hanji, what about this one? Okay, yes, after yesterday, we'll put a full stop, right? So after beach, I don't think so a comma would be required. So if you read it, right? तो आप इसको एक सिंगल गो में भी रीड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है बेटा. सो वी कैन स्किप द कॉमा, वी कैन जस्ट पुट अ फुल स्टॉप हियर. कई बार ना एक्चुअली जो कॉमा होता है ना, कई बार इन सम इंस्टेंसेस इट इज काइंड ऑफ ऑप्शनल. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ यू आर स्पीकिंग दैट सेंटेंस, राइट? सो हियर आल्सो वी वेंट टू द बीच येस्टरडे, राइट? यहाँ अगर येस्टरडे आगे होता है ना, वी से पहले होता है कि येस्टरडे, then there would have been a comma for sure, we went to the beach. ठीक है. अगर अगर पीछे आ रहा है तो इधर इट इज ऑप्शनल, आप डालो या ना डालो, बट इधर फुल स्टॉप तो पक्का डलेगा. Where have you been all this while? हाँ जी, what about this one? Yes, question mark in the end, very true. Yes, Manav Sharma, Rupali, correct. Simar, correct. Right? So do you think there should be quotes as well, double quotes? Since this is being, किसी को बोला जा रहा है directly, where have you been all this while? Right? So we can check in the answers whether they go with double quotes or not, but I do believe that double quotes would be required. ठीक है, क्योंकि इससे पता चल रहा है कि this is a dialogue, right? So moving further, a snake bit the man. हाँ जी बच्चे. So we'll have a full stop at the end. A snake bit the man. Yes, very true. So this is the best birthday gift I have received. All right, yes, a full stop at the end for sure, right? So comma after, we will check that after birthday gift whether we need to put a comma or not, right? So mother made a delicious cake yesterday. All right, yes, full stop at the end. And some of you are going with a comma also after made. All right, so we'll check about that. Then we have, you saved my life with my advice. All right, yes, a full stop at the end for sure. All right, so how about we move on to the next one? So this is exactly the same dress I bought. All right. So let's move on to the next one. So we do have a full stop, yes. Okay, so Amandeep says, okay, for watch out, we will have an exclamation mark at the end. All right. Yes, I think that is correct. Yes, Shalini, Amandeep, very good. So what about the 10th one? How clever I am. Yes, Abhishek, Rushant, wonderful. Yes, good job. Sign of exclamation, Hanji. So how kind of you? Yes, Vishakha. Yes, okay. So here you need to think. Yes, Rushant, you are right. So rather than a question mark, we'll have an exclamation sign. The boy has been missing since yesterday. All right. So yes. There is definitely going to be a full stop at the end. Right, Satyam, Bhupali, Abhishek. Wonderful. So where is John? So yes, question mark at the end. And do you think we could have it in double quotes? Again, that is optional. We might have it in double quotes or we might not have it in double quotes, right? So we can now check our answers. So hurrah, we have won the match, right? We went to the beach yesterday. Where have you been all this while? A snake bit the man. So this is the best birthday gift I have received. Mother made a delicious cake yesterday. You saved my life with my advice. This is exactly the same dress I bought. Watch out how clever I am, how kind of you. The boy has been missing since yesterday and where is John? So see, they have not gone in for double quotes here. Otherwise, even if you put it, it won't be wrong, right? But yes, बच्चे इधर कहीं पे भी comma नहीं लगना. So because all the sentences, you know, if you read it, you will feel that there is no need for a pause anywhere, right? So basically, comma ka how do you tell? You simply read the sentence, process it in your mind, right? Think of it कि कहीं पे pause की जरूरत है. Like when you are speaking, do you need to pause somewhere? ठीक है, अगर आपको लगता है कि चाहिए, then you can put a comma there. Otherwise, just let it be, right? So इधर no doubt these sentences अगर आपको लगेंगे भी कि थोड़े लंबे हैं, but they don't need any comma here. All right. So let's do another exercise. We still have 10 minutes to go. Okay, so I'll just put it here so that you cannot see the answers. Hanji. So he did not, however, gain his object. All right, this is a bit now complicated one, right? So either, yes, your commas are going to come in, exclamation mark and your double quotes are going to come in. So be very careful while you're attempting. So let's take a look at the first sentence. He did not, however, gain his object. हाँ जी बच्चे. हाँ जी बच्चे, yes. All right, let's see. So after did not, comma and a question mark at the end. All right. So after did not, however के बाद comma. ठीक है जी. He did not, yes Vishakha, comma, however, gain a comma, gain his object. All right. So Shalini has put it in quotes as well. So okay, we'll see about this one, right? So नहीं तो मैं थोड़ा सा इसको कर देती हूँ scroll so that we can at least check its answers. So very good. He did not. There is a comma. However, there is a comma and gain his object. So I would rather die, he exclaimed, than join the enemies of my country. हाँ जी बच्चे, what do you say? Yes, there is a comma after die. So remember, he exclaimed. So this is giving you a hint about what to put here. Yes, definitely there are going to be double quotes here. Inverted commas, yes. Because इधर देखो ना, I use हुआ है word and इधर my use हुआ है. ठीक है, and इधर he exclaimed है. So आपको इससे पता चल रहा है कि at least this section would be in double quotes. Then a comma here, he exclaimed. A comma again, then again double quotes will begin. Then join the enemies of my country and the inverted commas will end here. ठीक है जी, so two sets of inverted commas. So let's check quickly, right? So yes, I would rather die, he exclaimed, than join the enemies of my country, right? So the third one, friends, relatives, companions, all deserted him. हाँ जी बच्चे. So इधर थोड़ा सा you could I think use a semicolon as well. हाँ जी. So yes, a comma after friends and relatives. All right. Friends, relatives, companions all deserted him. However, do notice that these three categories and then we have all deserted him. Very good, Vishakha. Yes. So should we check its answer? So see, friends, relatives, companions all deserted him. ठीक है, आप बेटा एक ऐसे कर सकते हो. And yes, Vishakha, your version is also true. I think it would be correct that, you know, separating these with commas, putting a semicolon here, all deserted him, right? Yes, a full stop at the end for sure. So moving further, when I was a bachelor, I lived by myself. So what would be the answer for this one? Hanji, let's see. So yes, comma after bachelor, right? And full stop in the end. Yes. So when I was a bachelor, comma, I lived by myself. Today we love what tomorrow we hate. Today we seek what tomorrow we shun. Today we desire what tomorrow we fear. So a bit complicated sentence here. So try to write this one again with the correct punctuation. Hanji. Yes, Simmer, on the right track. We have a comma after hate. Or maybe not. अगर बेटा वन फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस में समझना है, just read the sentence again, right? So comma after hate and shun. All right, let's see. And after desire, all right. Okay, maybe you say double quotes might work as well. So should we check the answer? So see, this is how they have made it. Today we love what tomorrow we hate. There's a semicolon. Today we seek what tomorrow we shun. Again a semicolon. Today we desire what tomorrow we fear. A full stop. See now what I had thought of. Today we love what tomorrow we hate. ठीक है? So either I was thinking of putting a comma and a full stop here and a new sentence. Today we seek, comma, what tomorrow we shun, a full stop. Today we desire, comma, what tomorrow we fear, a full stop. However, जैसे इन्होंने इसको direct तीन sentence consider करके and join them together using semicolons, right? Because they are all connected. So he was a Brahmin and she a Rajput. हाँ जी बच्चे. Okay. ठीक है. सो विशाखा, यस दैट इज करेक्ट. थोड़ा सा कॉमा का ध्यान से बेटा सोचो. हाउ वुड यू पुट इट? सो लेट्स चेक द आंसर. सो ही वाज अ ब्राह्मण एंड शी अ राजपूत. तो अब बेटा इधर देखो, दिस इज द क्लू. यहाँ पे ये कंप्लीट नहीं बन रहा ना, एंड शी अ राजपूत डायरेक्ट ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. सो दिस इज व्हाई अ कॉमा वुड कम हियर, राइट? बिकॉज इधर शी was a Rajput, was is missing, so was की जगह यहाँ पे we put a comma. His behavior, to say the least, was rude. So if you listen carefully to how I speak it, you might get a hint, right? So his behavior, to say the least, was rude. So let me see. Good, Simmer, you are on the right track. Yes, Shalini, almost close. So you can comma after least. Yes, good. Okay, full stop at the end. So let's check. So yes, his behavior, to say the least, was rude, right? So what have you been doing there? Yes, a full stop, question mark at the end. Yes, this one was simple, right? A simple question mark at the end. So what about this one? Alas, we have lost. Yes, Gurjot, that is correct. Simar, that is correct. Yes, Ishant, Bhupali, very good. So let's check. Alas, we have lost. So during my stay in Sri Lanka, I visited Mihintale, I am not sure how to pronounce this, which is regarded as the cradle of Buddhism. So what about this one? हाँ जी बच्चे. Very good. After Sri Lanka, there would be a comma. After Mihintale as well, yes. Wonderful. Let's check. So during my stay in Sri Lanka, I visited Mihintale, which is regarded as the cradle of Buddhism. See, now they have skipped the comma here. However, I also feel that a comma would be required, right? So I agree with you on this one that maybe a comma would help here. During my stay in Sri Lanka, I visited Mihintale. It actually sounds correct to me both ways, right? So we'll continue with this one. We'll maybe pick a new topic for Monday and we will then practice it again, right? So I hope you enjoyed that little poll in the beginning about how you are feeling, right? So I'm planning to use that more often and for different activities. So students, enjoy your weekend and see you on Monday. So if you have anything to share or say, you are most welcome. All right, otherwise I'll end the class. So goodbye and thank you for attending the class.